Hi, I'm Chris with Maxxair, an Airxcel brand. Today I'm going to show you what's in the box when you purchase a Maxxfan Deluxe. I want to show you what's in the box so that way when you do make your purchase, you keep track of everything, you make sure you have everything you need before you go ahead and start your install. Let's take a look. There are 6 major components when you open the box. There's, of course, your instruction manual. There will be a packet of fasteners that I'll show you exactly what they are in a moment. There's going to be the remote control if you do buy the version with the remote. You're going to get the trim ring, which you'll cut down to fit your need. And then you're going to get the unit itself, of course. And on the unit, you'll get the receiving ring, which is this piece right here, and I'll talk to that in a moment. This piece is the garnish ring. This is what's going to be seen from inside the RV. And again, you're going to cut this to the right height to fit your RV need. Obviously, you're going to get the fan unit itself. Now remember, when you do install this, this is the front side and this is the back side. And it's very important that when you install it in the correct orientation. This piece is the receiving ring. This is going to go up on top of the roof, and the fan will sit in it and will attach into these little clips. Now make note that if this is kind of stuck inside when you get it out of the box, so that if one of these clips is missing, it might actually have come out and just kind of be stuck in the fan. So if you find one clip is missing, it's not a problem, just double check in the fan itself. I've gone ahead and I've unpackaged the fastener kit, and I want to show you what we have for you so you can make sure you have the right things, the right number, and you know what they do. What you'll get is 4 of these little screws that have white paint on them. Those are the screws that go on the interior of the vehicle, and they fasten the garnish ring. You'll get 16 of these screws. They go on the exterior, and they are for the receiving ring. It has 16 holes. These 4 screws are what attach the fan unit itself to the receiving ring, and those screw through those 4 silver clips I showed you earlier. And then we've also included some quick connects, and we recommend you use those when you hook in the power. If you've ordered the unit with the remote control, inside that remote control packet, you'll find the remote itself plus batteries. This is a wall mount for the remote, and then the 2 screws for the wall mount. The fan unit itself does come with protective plastic that will protect it from scratching and any other harm that might happen while you're doing your installation. After you know it's installed properly, you want to remove this so you're not driving down the road with the protective sheet still on it. There are a number of videos you can find on YouTube that will take you through either replacement of an existing fan or putting this one in from scratch on a van or something of that nature. I highly recommend you watch those, kind of get some tips and tricks, watch a couple of them. We also have our own video that I do, and it's been vetted for accuracy, so please watch that too. Thanks so much for buying your Maxxfan Deluxe. Thanks for watching, and have a great time out on the road.